All right, we are at the Public Nuisance event, Car Meet in Alliance, Ohio. Turnout is really good, a lot of people. This is the third and final show for tonight. As you can see in the background, turnout is really huge. Like I said this morning, if you're viewing this channel, don't be just a viewer. It costs nothing to subscribe, so make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and make sure that you are part of my support system so we can continue growing and I can continue doing car shows, which I'm not going to stop anyway. So let's see what we have here at this amazing turnout. Let's get into it. That is it for this show. Let's see what the camera does at night. Let's see the clarity of these cars and pictures that I took. Tomorrow I'll be at Beechwood Cars and Coffee at Porsche. Hopefully I see people there and get some good video. Till next time, stay tuned. Hit that like, share, subscribe button. Let's get it. Peace.